Hi everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So this hit or miss is actually going to be two videos because today I'm going to share with you about the 5 new quills from We Are Memory Keepers. You might remember the foil quill, freestyle, and the ones that fit in your cutting machines. But today I'm sharing the 5 new ones with you. Now again, I have bought all of these, and so I want to share with you why you do not need to buy all of them in this video. I'm going to share with you what you do need, what you don't need, etc. And then in tomorrow's video, I'm going to share with you how to use all of these and whether they're hit or miss. We'll make 5 quick and easy projects with each one. But first of all, let me share with you what there is. There is the fabric quill. This is designed to really bleach on fabric and give you these cool things. You can see some fabric there and they've bleached it out. So that is your first one. And inside this box, you have the following. So let me share with you. You have your permanent fabric markers, so this will colour on your fabric, and then you have your bleach pen and your washable marker pen. So say you're marking out pattern on your Cricut or other machine, and these fit the Silhouette, the Brother Scan and Cut, the Cricut machine, and the Sizzix E-Cuts, and that's what these adapters up here are for. And this fabric quill is probably an important one because we're going to come back to it in a second. Now you also have the bevel quill, and like it shows on here, it bevels, so it's going to emboss or deboss your projects. And so let me show you what's inside of this one. So this one, you have this tool here. This is your bevel tool, and then again you have your adapters. It also comes with some metal thick, almost heavy duty cardstock, not quite a chipboard but pretty heavy, and you do need to buy this one because you can't buy this tool on its own. However, I did work out that if you have a cool like not hot of the medium tip pens, you can kind of bevel with it too, so you can decide. This one just puts a bit more pressure and it has a ball tool on the end of it. You could also take a regular ball tool and put it into one of these adapters. So if it looks like the pen ball tools, pop it in here. Kind of made your own bevel quill too. So you can decide if that bit works for you. But this is the same as all the other ones I've showed you before. They just pop in here, screw in place, sit in your machine, off you go. So that's what is inside your bevel quill. And then your Etch Quill, and I should mention Cricut do their own range of these tools, and we'll be reviewing those separately so we can then compare when we get to those two, and that's part of their easy swap out system. This is the Etch Quill, so this one is going to engrave, and they give you some like light or heavier acetate, not quite like thick plastic, and what it does is it has a scrape end on it. It's pretty sharp, a bit like a craft pick, and again it fits in your adapters. It's kind of unfortunate you can't just buy these pieces because if we bought the original foil quill, we all have these adapters. However, that's where this bit kind of comes into play because there's this new Singe Quill, and you can buy the Singe Quill in a full box like this. But what comes in the box are these pen adapters that fit in all your machines and the Singe pens. Yes, you also get a couple of the substrates, but you can just buy them like this. These are the plywood ones that we'll be using. So I really worked out that I don't need to buy the full box, which is pretty expensive. I can just buy my fabric quill, or you could buy a Singe Quill and buy the fabric pens, but this way works out cheaper because I sat in the store for a long time and worked this out. If you buy the fabric quill, you can just buy a pack of the Singe Quill pens, pop them in these adapters, and they're going to work for you. You don't have to buy everything all over again. And the same applies with the glue quill, because you can again buy a box that says glue quill on it, but if you're going to get the rest of the system, just buy the fabric ones, buy the glue quill pens, and we'll link them up in the description below with some discounts on them for you as well. And they're going to fit in these same pen adapters. Now these are not the same as the ones you put your what's the word, the quills in, like the Etch or the Heat Quill or anything like that. These are different. These fit the pens just like this, and they don't fit that well in the Cricut adapters because I tried that too. So it's worth, if you're going to do it, just buy one set. And I would buy, having looked and researched a lot, I've saved you the time of that, is to get the fabric quills and then get the Singe and the glue, and you're going to save yourself like 60 bucks just by having to not do that. So those are my top tips on what to buy with the new quill range. Tomorrow I'm going to be showing you, as I say, 5 quick and easy projects with each of these, and I'm just going to show you like some top tips that I found playing around with them as well. So join me tomorrow for second part of this hit or miss. I hope you found this bit useful. Perhaps you're even going to go and order them, and then you can watch the second part with me and follow along with some quick and easy projects. So join me again tomorrow for, as you know, another tutorial, but then join me every single day for some fun videos. Don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell, all of those fun things, and I will see you again tomorrow. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye.